Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with Pirai. In this video, we are going to solve a Leetcode question number 1005. Maximize sum of array after k negations. Given an integer array nums and an integer k, modify the array in the following way. Choose an index I and replace nums of I with nums of I, but what minus nums of I? You should apply this process exactly k times. You may choose the same index I multiple times. Return the largest possible sum of the array after modifying it in this way. So they are asking us to change nums of I into minus nums of I. How many times? For k times. We can also apply that same process in same index multiple times. Okay. But at the last, we want to return the maximum possible sum. Okay, this is what the question states. Now let us see the example. See here. For this question, I can say k is equal to 1. So I want to change only one element from nums of I to minus nums of I. So in this question, they have changed the minus 2 as 2 to minus 2. So initially, what is sum? The sum is 4 plus 2 plus 5, 4 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 9 initially. And then when I am applying a minus in front of this 2, it will become what? 7. So my maximum, it will be 5. So my maximum possible sum is 5. Okay, if I apply minus 4, 2, 3, whether I get maximum sum? No, I get only what? 1. If I apply minus 3, then I will get what? 3 as my answer. Fine. So what is the maximum possible sum? It is 5. So we want to return this 5. Okay, let us see the second example. Here they asked for, we want to change 3 times. We want to change 3 times. So listen carefully. 3 minus 1, 0, 2. So 3 minus 1, 0, 2. Now take this minus 1 and make it as plus 1. Take this minus 1 and make it as plus 1. Now apply 2 times in this 0. So 0 minus 0, no, it also 0. Again apply 0 because k is 3 times. Okay, first I applied here, then applied here, then applied here. So I have totally done 3 times. And what is the sum now? The sum is 3, 1. So 4 plus 2, it is 6. So it is my output. Understand? Now let us take this example. 2 minus 3 minus 1, 5 minus 4. So take this example, k is equal to 2. So you want to do operation for 2 times. If I want to do operation for 2 times, okay, I will make this minus 4 to plus 4 because there are totally 3 minus values, minus 3, minus 1 and minus 4. If I do any minus operation in this minus 3, I will get only 3 to my sum. If I do minus operation in minus 1, I will get only 1 sum. If I do minus operation on minus 4, I will get 4 increment. So I will take this 4 and change it to plus. Fine. Now again take this. Now these are the 2 negative elements. So by observing this, I can take this minus 3 and make plus 3 so that I can make a maximum sum, right? Now this is my result. So what is the sum? It is 13. So this is my output. So how to approach this problem? Let us think about it. First of all, if there is an array like minus 1, 0, 1, 2, and if my k value is 1, what would we do? What would you do? I would take this minus 1 and change it to plus 1. Now the sum will be maximum, right? So this is the first condition. If I have any negative values, I will change it to positive value because minus of minus 1 is equal to plus 1, right? So this is my first observation. Okay, fine. And what are all other observations? Let us take another array like minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now my k value is 2. Think about this, k value is 2. Initially I will take this minus 4 and make it as plus 4. Okay, now the array elements are what? 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. What should I pick so that already I have done one operation. So still I have only one operation because initially it is 2, now it will be 1. I want to pick any one of the numbers from this array such that while converting the number into minus value will give the maximum sum. I will say just make this 1 as minus 1 so that I can get a maximum sum. If, for example, I take this 4 and make minus 1, I'll get minimum sum, right? Why? Because if I put a minus 1 here, what is sum here? It will be 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 4, it is 13, 13 minus 1, 12. If I put minus 1, I will get the answer as 12. Okay, fine. Let me put minus here. If I put minus here, 1 plus 2, it will be 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. But minus 4, it will be what? 6. 6 is my answer when I put minus 4. You can also apply for these values, but still you will get the maximum when we apply the minus for 1. So from this observation, I can say if all the values are positive, then I have to apply for the minimum value. Yes, this is the observation I have got now. Okay, let us see still more examples. See here, if the same example, but k value is what? Something extra large, like 5. Let us take 5. Initially, I will make this 4 into plus 4. Now still we want 2 for 4 more steps. I will make this 1 as minus 1. Still 3 more steps. Again, I will make this 1 as plus 1. Still 2 more steps. Again, I will take this 1 and make this minus 1. Again, I will take this plus 1 to minus 1. Sorry, minus 1 to plus 1. So this is my maximum sum. So what is my maximum sum? It will be 5. 5 plus 5, 10, 10, 14. So 14 is my output. So from this observation, I can clearly state that, see here, see this carefully. Initially my array is this, right? And then k value is 5. When I made this as 4, my k value will be 4. Okay, this when I make this minus 4 to plus 4, my k value is what? 4. And observe carefully, 4 is even number. 4 is even number. If I pick this smallest number and make it minus, then plus, then minus and plus, if it is even, I will exactly get the positive number. If it is odd, just take for example, it is 6. Initially we take this minus 4 and plus 4. Now my k value will be 5. Yes. Now when I apply this 5 operation in this one, I will result in what? Minus value, because initially it will be minus, then plus, then minus, then plus, again minus. So it will result in negative. So from this observation, I can say when the remaining k value, if all are positive, and my remaining k value is even, then I can say just sum. Else, if it is odd, then I want to do what? I want to minus the smallest value. In this array, the smallest value is 1. Yes. So this is all about my observation. Yes. Now let us see this example. 4 to 1. No. Let us see this example. 3 minus 1, 0, 2. To solve this problem, we have two approaches. Initially, first approach is we can sort that array. If I sort this array will be like what? Minus 1, 0, 2, 3. So that I can easily take the element which I should do what? Minus operation. Okay, if I sort it, if I do a minus operation in it, in this position, I'll get the result as 1, 0, 2, 3. And what is my k value? It is initially 3. Now it changed into 2 because I have done the minus operation in the first element. Now, here is my point. Whether I can do operation 0? Yes. Just stop here. And then check whether the k value is odd or even. It is even. So just return the sum. Okay, take the same example. And take the k value as what? 4. Just say quickly My sorted array will be like this. Now I want to take this -1 and make it as what? +1 and make it as 3. Now my pointer lies in what? 0. My pointer lies in what? 0. Now 3 is odd or even? It is odd. It is odd. So what should I do? I should what? Minus the smallest number. So what is the initial sum of this? Initial sum is 1 plus 5, it is 6. 6 is the sum. And I have included this 0 already in this. So minus 2 into 0, which is equal to 6. So 6 is my output. If you don't understand this, I will take another example. Just observe here. -2, -1, and then 1, 2. So just assume this is my array. Just assume this is my array. Now my k value is initially set to what? Maybe 5. 5. Now initially I'll take this point and make it as 2. Then take this point and make it as 1. Totally I have done 2 operations. So remaining 3 operations are there. If I come here, there is 1, positive 1. So stop here. Now array looks like 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. Now what is sum? What is sum? Sum is 6. Sum is 6. And what is the k value? It is odd. If it is odd, I have already told you what should we do? This minus the minimum value. If I minus the minimum value is 1, right? If I minus the 1, should I get a correct value? It is 5. But should I get this 5? No. Because if it is -1, what should we do? Should be my answer? 1, 2, then 4. So my answer should be 4, but here 5. Because already this 1 is included in the sum. Again, if we minus it, we want to do 2 times. That's why I have put the 2 into what? That smallest value. So this is my first approach. This is my first approach. Fine. So let us see the approach. See here. This sort the array. Then I is equal to 0. While I is less than len of nums. And nums of I is less than 0. And k. Which means k should be greater than 0. We can also put like k. Okay. Nums of I into is equal to -1. We want to do the operation like we want to make the minus value to the plus value initially. That's the first step, right? So I am doing this I plus 1, then k minus 1. Okay, initially if the value is negative, I want to make it as a positive value. Then m is equal to min value, s is equal to sum of the array. If k mod 2 is equal to 0, whether I want to do any step, no. If it is even, I don't want to do any step, just return. If it is odd, I want to do what? S minus 2 into minimum. I have told you, right? Okay, let's submit it. Fine, it is submitted successfully. So what is the time complexity and space complexity? The time complexity is, I can say, I just sorted it, right? So n log n, and also I'm traversing 2 every time, so it is n. So approximately it is O of n log n. So what is the space complexity? Space complexity is, I am using the merge sort to sort the array, so it uses the O of n. Okay, this is the first approach. So let me take the second approach. Second approach is quite simple, which is we can use a heap data structure. But how we can use a heap data structure? Let me take the same example like this example. Okay, so -2, -1, 1, 2. Okay, initially here is my heap. Fine. Now just push every element into the heap. -2, -1, 1, 2. It is what? Min heap. Just use min heap. Python have initially min heap. Okay, but if you are using C++, just use the negative and positive variation so that you will get the answer. Okay. Now just observe here. First of all, I will take the minimum number from the heap. Initially, I will put the k value. I have forgot to put the k value. K value is 5. Just initially take this minimum value. Just take it out. Okay. What is it? -2. Just make it as +2. Then append to it. Right. Then what is the minimum value? Just take it up. Just take it up. It is -1. -1 change to +1. Then put it up. Make us as 3. Now, what is the minimum value here? Minimum value is 1. 1. Take this 1 out. Make it as -1 and reduce it as 2. Then append to the heap. My heap is now appended like -1 here. Yes. Now again, what is the minimum value? It is again -1. Take it out. -1 is changed to +1. Now this 2 is changed to 1. Again, put this 1 to this heap, right? Again, take this 1 outside. Yes. Again, make this 1 as -1. Then put this -1 into this heap. So my heap now contains what are the elements? -1, 1, 2, again what? 2, right? So these are the elements inside my heap. So what is the sum? My sum is what? 4. So 4 is my output. Let's just set here. Yes, we got the same output. So this is the heap approach. Okay, by seeing this, we can say just by seeing it, we can easily find what is the time complexity and space complexity, right? What is the time complexity and space complexity? Space complexity is O of n because we are using the heap data structure. And what is the time complexity? I say time complexity is we are making the heap data structure and we are popping up and also appending into the data structure. Okay, we are pushing and popping. So it will take n log n times because we are pushing and popping what? N times, right? So it is n and a log n times for pushing and popping. So this is my time and space complexity. Let's see the code. Heap code is comparatively somewhat easy to understand. Just see here. Heap is equal to I for I in range, I in nums of I. Just I use the list comparison to make the nums into to make nums elements to store into the heap. Heap q dot heapify of heap. Just I made the alteration in heap. Then while k value is equal to heap q dot heap pop of heap. So I am popping the minimum value from the heap, and then I am pushing the value by doing what? By multiplying with -1, or we can do minus value. If the value is -1, I will push 1. If the value is 1, I will push -1, right? Now k minus equal to 1. Every time we do this operation, we will minus k and then return the sum of heap. Simple, simple. So this is the easiest solution comparing to the top solution. Yes, it is submitted successfully. Thank you.